How to customize Control Center on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone X. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Here, you'll see a list of controls currently included in your Control Center. To add a new control, scroll down to the More Controls section and tap the green plus button next to the feature you want to add, such as calculator, low power mode, screen recording, or magnifier. To remove a control, tap the red minus button next to it, then tap Remove. If your version of iOS allows it, you can also reorder the controls by pressing and holding the 3-line handle next to a control and dragging it to your preferred position. Once you've finished customizing, simply exit the Settings app. Your changes are saved automatically. To view your updated Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen. And that's it. You've successfully customized the Control Center on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.